The porch is the first impression your home gives during Halloween, a threshold between the familiar and the mysterious. It is a place where imagination can roam freely, blending the ordinary with the extraordinary. Lighting, shadows, and textures can transform the space into a stage for the season. Every corner can tell a story, inviting visitors to step into a world of creativity. The choice of colors, the interplay of darkness and light, and the careful arrangement of elements all work together to create atmosphere. It's a space where anticipation builds, where curiosity is sparked, and where the charm of Halloween begins. Even the smallest details, from subtle textures to playful silhouettes, can make a difference. This is more than decoration. It's a mood, a statement, and a celebration of the unusual. The porch becomes a portal, a transition from the everyday into a seasonal fantasy. Every visitor experiences a moment of wonder before even stepping inside. Shadows and lighting are essential in shaping the atmosphere of a Halloween porch. Soft glows can create a sense of mystery, while brighter lights can guide the eye and highlight key areas. The way light falls and interacts with objects transforms ordinary shapes into intriguing silhouettes. Shadows can lengthen, distort, and dance across surfaces, bringing the porch to life in subtle, magical ways. Even a single light source can evoke curiosity, casting shapes that hint at stories beyond the threshold. Layering multiple light sources adds depth and complexity, encouraging exploration and imagination. Contrast between darkness and brightness emphasizes texture, giving every element more dimension. The mood created here can feel both inviting and slightly otherworldly, a perfect balance for the season. Shadows become storytellers, conveying mood without words. Light becomes a companion to design, helping set the stage for an enchanting experience. If these Halloween porch decor ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love spooky outdoor setups. Textures bring tactile depth and visual interest to a porch, turning flat surfaces into dynamic scenery. Rough, smooth, and layered surfaces can play off one another, creating contrast that draws attention. Draped fabrics, natural elements, and subtle patterns all add richness to the visual landscape. The feel of surfaces underfoot, in hand, or in passing adds a sensory layer that heightens immersion. Different materials interact differently with light, casting unexpected patterns or highlighting hidden details. Even without color, textures alone can provide dimension and intrigue. Arranging these elements thoughtfully ensures that the porch feels cohesive yet lively. Each surface contributes to the larger narrative, supporting a sense of anticipation. The interplay of hard and soft, natural and crafted builds a layered environment. The porch becomes a space of discovery, where every surface offers a new detail to notice. Would you go for a creepy haunted porch, a cozy autumn vibe, or a mix of both? Tell me your favorite style in the comments below. Shapes and silhouettes define the visual language of a Halloween porch. Bold outlines can create striking focal points, while subtler forms add nuance and complexity. Silhouettes can suggest mystery, hinting at narratives without revealing everything. Repetition of shapes creates rhythm, while variation adds interest and surprise. Curved, angular, or irregular forms all contribute to the overall aesthetic, giving the space character. Negative space is just as important, allowing shapes to breathe and stand out. Positioning and layering shapes creates a sense of movement, even in a static setting. This careful choreography of forms encourages the eye to wander and explore. Shadows often amplify the effect, turning simple shapes into dramatic or whimsical impressions. Together, shapes and silhouettes make the porch an engaging visual stage for the season. For more festive and creative Halloween decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more inspiration.
The mood of a porch is the invisible thread that ties all elements together. It is created through the combination of lighting, textures, shapes, and arrangement. A cohesive atmosphere evokes emotion, whether it is delight, curiosity, suspense, or whimsy. Every element should contribute to this overall feeling rather than existing in isolation. Sound, scent, and movement, even subtly, can amplify the experience and enrich the sensory environment. The porch becomes a microcosm of Halloween's playful tension between familiar and unknown. Atmosphere is the key to making visitors pause, look closely, and feel the season. Subtle cues guide attention and create a narrative flow from entrance to threshold. The balance of order and chaos can enhance intrigue, keeping the environment dynamic. Even the smallest details, like a fleeting shadow or a soft rustle, can spark wonder and imagination. The contrast between stillness and motion invites exploration, hinting at stories just beyond view. Layers of light and shadow can shift perception, creating moments of surprise. Color choices, whether bold or muted, shape emotion and subtly guide the eye. Patterns and repetition in decor establish rhythm, making the porch feel alive. The overall effect is immersive, drawing visitors into an experience that is both enchanting and slightly mysterious. Ultimately, atmosphere is what transforms a simple porch into a memorable Halloween experience. Want more outdoor decorating tips? Check out our full Halloween playlist linked below. It's packed with spooky ideas for every corner of your home. A well-decorated porch is more than an exterior. It is the beginning of the Halloween story. It sets expectations, draws visitors in, and establishes the tone for what lies inside. Every choice, from subtle light to layered textures, contributes to a sense of anticipation and delight. The porch becomes a bridge between reality and imagination, where the ordinary is transformed into the extraordinary. Even quiet, understated touches can create lasting impressions, shaping the experience in memorable ways. This space celebrates creativity, inviting experimentation and playful storytelling. It is a canvas where the season's spirit can unfold naturally. By focusing on mood, light, texture, and form, the porch becomes a stage for wonder. Each visit can spark curiosity and inspire imagination. Shadows that stretch across the steps, gentle glimmers on surfaces, and the interplay of shapes all contribute to a layered experience. The arrangement of space encourages exploration, where every glance uncovers new details. Visitors are invited to linger, pause, and let their senses fully engage. The porch acts as a storyteller, hinting at tales just beyond the doorway. Through thoughtful design, even subtle elements can evoke emotion and set a magical tone. The Halloween porch is ultimately a space of welcome, magic, and shared joy, a small yet powerful gateway into the season,